I am so freaking excited about this, guys. I just became an affiliate for a lifestyle membership, and I'm going to share with you the exact details of what it's all about. This lifestyle membership is all about making your life better, from earning income to traveling wherever you want. Because you see, you will get your own travel portal as an affiliate, and you can get amazing deals on your vacation. So if you love to earn money and you love to travel, this is probably for you. If you want more information, it's in my stand store. It's the top one. I have 3 videos in there that you can check out, but I'm stupid excited about this, and I have to share it with you, because if you're out there in the grind and you're like, I want something that I can earn and earn and earn, this is it. This is an affiliate program where you can get into an opportunity that is life-changing, and it can create time freedom for you. And that's why I'm so excited, and I'm looking for rock stars to build this with me. So if you don't want to miss out on this opportunity and you want to change your life so you have time freedom this time next year, make sure you go to my stand store, click that link. You want to save this video so you know where to come back to, so you can learn more details about it. If you're ready to get started, get that link. Let's get going. Let's build this together.